to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video, I want to give you guys some ideas on how to decorate your home for summer, especially if you're not into that beach theme or that nautical theme that everybody seems to do. I wanted to give you guys some budget-friendly ideas on how you can decorate your home on a budget with just some everyday decor. I love farmhouse style, and I know that's not a style that everybody likes, but what I want to share with you guys today is how to decorate your home with a little bit of greenery, because I feel like any decor that you have, whether it's glam, whether it's farmhouse, adding greenery to your home can liven up your home and make any home look beautiful regardless of what decor you have. So today I'm going to share with you guys some ways that I decorate my home with greenery, whether it has to do with greenery plants or some succulents. I'm going to share with you guys how I use them in my home on a budget. So if you would like to get some ideas from me, then stay tuned to this video. So the first decor idea that I want to share with you guys is this little wheelbarrow that I hauled to you guys in my Target haul a while back. It looks fine just as it is, cute. You can use it, put flowers in it, and actually display it in your home just as is. But I wanted to add like a little saying in front of it because I just love having sayings on my decor pieces. So I'm taking this galvanized welcome sign that they had at Dollar Tree. You know, the ones that came during the fall time. They had 3 to a pack that said welcome, harvest, and thankful. And so I'm going to put the welcome one in front of this, and I'm going to be using my favorite Dollar Tree glue that I use all the time, the adhesive glue that I always tell you guys is just as good as E6000, and it is way cheaper because you get it for $1. So I'm just going to glue it on to the front of it, and then I'll add some greenery, and then you'll see how it comes out. And this is how this decor piece came out, and it is in my entryway of my home. And the greenery that I use for this one is the ones that I found at Walmart for 97 cents that I hauled to you guys a while back as well. And I love this, that I can use greenery right now during the summertime, and come fall and Christmas I can always switch out the greenery with this decor piece to go with the holiday season. For the next decor idea, I took one of those galvanized tins that they have at Dollar Tree and I painted it white, and this time I used the galvanized harvest sign that came in that pack that the welcome sign came in, and put it in the front of this tin as well, and I glued it down the same way I did as the welcome sign. And I also used the same greenery that I found at Walmart for 97 cents to put in this. And this actually sits in my living room. And again, just like the wheelbarrow, I'll be able to switch out the greenery and switch out the florals come the holidays. So this can go all year round as well. For the next decor idea, I have this picture frame art that I found at Dollar Tree a while back that I actually repainted the frame white because I thought it looked better than that kind of coppery brown that came with it originally. And then the greenery that I added to the sides of this picture frame were some succulents that I found at Dollar Tree, and I put them inside these little cute trinket pots that you can find at Dollar Tree as well. This next decor idea not only has a touch of greenery in it, but it also has pops of yellow as well, which goes great with the summer and farmhouse theme. Now everything in this picture is from Dollar Tree. I got the book from Dollar Tree, the trinket tray, the succulent, and these apothecary jars, I made them with items from Dollar Tree. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link on a card up above and also in the link in the description box below. And the lemons and limes, you can get them at Dollar Tree, but these I got at Walmart for 97 cents. And those are your best bets to put in these jars because they are a little bit smaller. But I love this decor piece for your kitchen. It goes great for the summertime with any decor you have. The next decor idea is really simple. All I did was I took those plastic planter pots that you can get at Dollar Tree for $3 for a pack and painted them white. And then I took those greenery balls that Dollar Tree had a while back, which I never see them anymore, and stuck them in each one of them. And then what I did was I put one on either side of this wooden family sign that I've had for so long, and I have this sitting on my kitchen island in my kitchen. This next decor idea is me sharing with you guys how I decorated that Dollar Tree DIY wood shelf that I created during the Christmas time last year. If you haven't seen how I made this shelf out of the Jenga block pieces from Dollar Tree, I will put a card up above and the link in the description box below. But basically I took a Dollar Tree picture frame art and decorated with it. Also a cross I added to it. And what really added the touch of greenery was this little lantern that I found at Walmart for $3, and I added a little bit of greenery that I found at the Target dollar spot a while back, and a Dollar Tree candle. Now I know you guys can make lanterns all the time at, you know, with Dollar Tree items, but the fact that I found this one for $3 without even having to DIY it, I felt it was a good price. So they still have them at Walmart if you want them. For my other shelf, I decorated it with 2 other picture frame arts from Dollar Tree, and also a nice little candle vase from Dollar Tree that instead of adding a tea light candle to it, I actually added a succulent to add the little greenery to that shelf. This next decor idea is a tray that I set up in my kitchen. It's a tray that I actually got at the Target dollar spot for about $3, and I added a vase from Dollar Tree, flowers from Dollar Tree, and the greenery that I added was the little succulent in one of those bowl vases with some white rocks. And then I added another cross sign and another little kind of trinket sign that I found at Dollar Tree as well. And I love, again, adding that touch of yellow with the green because it's so summer and it's so farmhouse. These last decor ideas, I'm just sharing with you guys other ways that I decorate with succulents in my home. And so this is another trinket tray that has a different type of design to it. The trinket trays at Dollar Tree, they come in different colors and different types of styles. So I wanted to share with you guys this style. And also, you don't have to only decorate with greenery succulents. This little light blue succulent looks so beautiful as well. And I found this one in the Target dollar spot at Target for about $1. And then the other 2 succulents that I have in this picture, I put them in these plastic wine glasses that I found in the wedding section at Dollar Tree, and I added the small white rocks to the bottom of it, and I feel like it gives the succulent such an elegant look, and you can put them anywhere in your home. I have them in my bathroom, my bedroom, and also in my living room. And then this last picture, I'm just sharing with you guys another succulent in this glass bowl with the white rocks as well, just so you can see the different types of succulents and how beautiful they look in these kind of like big bowl, fish bowl looking vases. So that is how I decorate my home during the summertime, with a little bit of greenery just to liven up my home and make it more summer-like, but not really a beach theme because, like I said, I'm not into that theme. Most of the time I love decorating for the fall holidays because that's the time when I can bring out the pumpkins, and then Christmas comes around and there's so much decor for that. But we tend to get stuck during summer and spring because those holidays, they tend to be 1-month holidays, and sometimes like the colors they go with the holidays like Easter, Valentine's Day, or 4th of July. It's not something that you can really carry on for a couple months with any type of decor. But I feel like when you add a little greenery to any decor, it makes your house look so nice. So I hope I gave you guys some ideas on how you can add a little bit of greenery to your home on a budget, no matter what style that you guys have. If you have any ideas on how to decorate your house with greenery, whether it has to do with succulents or some greenery plants or any other type of greenery, anything that adds that little kind of nature to your house, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you have pictures, I would love to see them. Also, if you have ideas and you want to share them on Instagram, tag me in them because I would love to get ideas from you guys. I always am looking for new ideas to decorate my home that's not necessarily have to do with beach theme when it comes to summer and spring, because I want to add that little nature in my home, but not too much of, like I said, the beach, because that's not my thing. So please let me know your ideas below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.